click, but it doesn't go bang. It doesn't create a discharge. That powder in this cartridge has sufficiently deteriorated that it cannot create an explosion. You got that spark, but it doesn't create an explosion. It just doesn't do anything.
What do you do?
Once you are 100% certain that it is a misfire, unchamber that round and continue to operate your handgun as designed. If you're in a situation where you're coming home and a bad guy's jumping out of your bushes and you got to do the whole, is this an ammunition malfunction thing? Go into your second wave of personal protection. For me, that would be what?
Run.
It could be running, yes. It could also mean
Well,
what?
it could be an alternate. What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alternate fire